Friends, in Geo's production base, we have more surprises waiting for our friends. Now take everyone into our pet workshop. In our pet workshop, all our machines are automated. Friends, the first thing you can see is our AI print machine. Walking into the machine, friends can see that the machine is precisely inserting electronic components into our PCB board. Friends, we can see our capacitor, fuses, thermistors, and other electronic components. We can also be seen that our machine is very sensitive and can automatically identify electronic components and place them on the PCB board accurately. Of course, friends can also feel that the speed of machine production is also very fast. The machine is fully automated for products and transmission. Now friends can see that a PCB board has been filled with various types of electronic components. Friends can now see that this working ability is to automatically identify our electronic components and transfer them into our machine. The transmission speed of the machine is very fast. Friends, now take a look at our PCB boards produced by machines. Capacities, resistors, fuses, and other electronic components are accurately inserted in the corresponding positions. On the whole, our PCB boards are very dedicated in workmanship. Friends can see that our staff is now operating the machine, which makes it easier for the machine to identify our electronic components. In this way, the quality of our PCB board production is better by working together with humans and machines.
Next to it is our AI print machine. We can see the large number of machines. It is conceivable that our daily output is very large. So friends, we can meet your purchase quantity and deliver the goods to user. Now come to our another production area. Friends can see an advanced SMT placement machine and SMT printing machine. This machine can accurately and quickly place electronic components on the surface mount of PCB boards to improve production efficiency. Now we can see that our SMT placement machine is working. Can you feel the speed of the machine turning very fast? The machine mounts our chip, capacitors, chip, resistors, diodes, and other electronic components on our PCB boards through information transmission and automatic induction. The production base of Geao technology introduces new machines for production and only wants to produce better products for customers. Now we can see that our staff will check the PCB board again very carefully. She will check the electronic components of each part one by one to see if there is any missing or incorrect placement. If there is a bad situation, then process it. Friends can see the PCB board are displayed are the electronic components of each part very neat and beautiful. It can also be seen that our PCB board workmanship is very dedicated, high quality. This work area is where we manually inspect the PCB board. The staff will sort the electronic components and then process them. Friends, you can take a look at the displays of this PCB board. Our electronic components are mounted on the circuit board, and the soldering process of ring pin is very good. Now it is our technicians to inspect and maintain the machine. The frequency of the machine inspection is once a day by our technicians. The technicians modify the information of the computer and check the various parts of the machine. which makes our machine operate more accurately and efficiently. The one next to it is our referring soldering machine. Friends can see that this PCB board has been produced by our AI prime machine and SNT placement machine, and finally put it into the chair of the referral soldering machine. After heating, heat preservation and welding, so as to realize the placement of electronic components, the load of welding with the PCB board. The last part is our finished PCB board. Friends, have you seen a lot of PCB boards ourselves? Thanks to mechanical automation production, our daily output can reach thousands of qualities. And what about the product quality after mass production? Friends can now see the display of our PCB boards. At first glance, it's densely packed with different types of electronic components. On the other side, you can see electronic components such as fuses and the thermistor. These components are not easy to fall off after being soldered by the reverse soldering machine. Is the quality very good? Of course, the PCB board has our Geao brand name, which belongs to our self-produced products. Friends, have you ever thought that the production of a PCB board has to go through so many production processes? In the production workshop of Geao Technology, we strive to make every process perfect. Dear friends, these are all PCB boards that we have produced. There are a lot of them and they are neatly arranged on the shelves. Here are our electronic components, which are neatly arranged and convenient for the staff to take and use. Each electronic component has a parameter mark, which is convenient for the staff to identify it. Well, after looking at our patch workshop, do you think that the production base of Geao Technology is more advanced and scientific? Our workshop has advanced AI prime machines, SMT printing machines, SMT patch machines, and referral welding machines. The number of machines is very large. Of course, there are also our staff to check the PCB board strictly control and quality.